So let's just move on further toward the third question, and the third question says that state whether the following statements are true or false. So let me just talk about the very first statement. Very first statement says that every natural number is a whole number. So is it true or false? So let's just recall the collection of the natural numbers. As we know that the natural numbers are nothing but represented by capital N, which includes the element as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so goes on. So all these numbers are also called as a collection of whole numbers, because the numbers along with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so goes on is nothing but the numbers that are called as the whole number. So it means that every natural number is nothing but a whole number. So this particular statement is nothing but true. So let us suppose I am writing T over here because my answer is true, means the answer for this particular question is nothing but true. So let's just start with the other part, which says that every integer is a whole number. It says every integer is a whole number. So let us suppose I'm talking about the collection of the integer. The collection of the integer involves the number as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so goes on. So this is nothing but the collection of the integer. So it says that every integer is a whole number. We know that in the collection of the integer, the numbers that are starting from the 0 and so goes on, this is nothing but a collection of the whole number. So it says every integer is a whole number. So obviously the answer is no. Every integer is not a whole number. Why so? Because the negative numbers or the negative counterpart of the natural numbers are not the whole number. So these numbers are not the whole numbers. These are not whole numbers. So it means that every integer is not a whole number. So we can take an example of it as well. For an example, -2 is an integer. -2 is an integer, but not a whole number. So it is an integer, but it is not a whole number. So the statement is nothing but false. So the answer for this particular statement is nothing but false. This statement is false because every integer is not a whole number. But the vice versa condition is true, that every whole number is an integer, but every integer is not a whole number. So this statement is nothing but false. So I hope the two statements are very much clear to you with the help of this particular example.